Alright, review time. So we'll be reviewing this flashlight I got. This is a very affordable one, USB charge, and this is good for emergency situations and can become handy going outdoors. It's really small like that, and what I like about this is it's rechargeable. Don't have to worry about buying the battery. And about the waterproof, haven't tested that yet. So I got two of this since it's very affordable, around 53. I got it for 53. And the one I got, the other one I got is not charged, but when I charge it, it was working. So happy about that. This is the one. So let's go ahead and open it. And there, I like the casing. It's really neat. And this is the flashlight. Yep, it comes with this USB charger, and it's a mini USB. And this is just the switch and the charging port. Focus, baby, focus. Okay, having trouble focusing. But yeah, that's the charging port, the switch. And then, yeah, let's test it. There's 3 modes. It's high and low. And there's that blink. It's good for emergency or defense situation. So, yeah, that's it. Really neat.